Alright, back with another video. Today we'll be talking about, I picked this saw up to make things faster. Y'all know I hit the old saw. Of course I did the unboxing, I mean not the unboxing, but I was at the Lowe's video for the other saw I had got. It's the same exact saw, but the thing is, I ran across this on a good deal. It was already put together. Of course, you know, I don't need two saws, but I got it anyway. So, ran across this one yesterday. We went and picked it up. And it was already put together so we can, you know, speed the work process up a little bit. For y'all that don't, you know, for y'all that do know, you know, some saws are a little bit better than others. It got a bigger, like wider cut capacity right here, of course. Like I said, it's real smooth. It's quiet. It's real quiet, so we're gonna be able to do some different stuff on the channel, of course. I usually don't do the building the boxes too much on the channel, but we're gonna start doing something a little bit different. So y'all look forward to that. Be sure to like, subscribe. I haven't brought y'all a video in a while, but I figure I'll give y'all a little update of what's going on. Like I say, I just got this thing here yesterday. Of course, I still got my other one brand new in the box. I'm gonna wait till I get like a little shop area or whatnot, and we're gonna put that other one there. So that's what we're gonna do with the other one. We're gonna just keep this one right here, I guess. But on the update on the shows or whatnot, we will be going to shows here pretty soon. The shows are starting up. Some, you know, some of the bigger shows, maybe. Most likely, if the weather permits. But you know, we ain't gonna make no promises, because you hate to drive so far and the weather don't do right what you want it to do. So, you know, imagine driving 12, 13 hours, 8 hours, and then it rained the whole time. So it really don't make sense to make a drive too far, and if the storm or whatnot ain't letting up. So we're gonna, you know, we're gonna wait it out and see what it does on most of these shows. But we're gonna try to hit some shows coming up pretty soon. Get y'all some new content, see what y'all did for the year, for the new season and whatnot, because we know y'all been working on a lot of different builds. Been seeing them online, so we gotta see them in person. You know, be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. Be sure to use the links down below to support the channel. You want to donate the Cash App, money sign, BASSWITHKEV. Support the channel in any kind of way you want to. It's up to you. It's not necessary. But anyway, we got the new machine, man. We're gonna get this thing working. We got some stuff coming up. Y'all be sure to stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share the video. Leave that comment down below if y'all use one of these right here. Like this the Delta saw. I want to get me a soft stop, but you know, this is gonna be the job for right now. So that's it, man. Be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.